Hello friends, I am Sudhir and I welcome you to the YouTube channel English Carnival, a journey of learning with joy. Friends, this channel is dedicated to English language, literature, criticism, academics, motivation and many more. Friends, in our today's presentation, we are going to explore the MCQs and their answers on Oscar Wilde, J.C. Hill and Ruskin Bond. So friends, before we proceed, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of uploaded videos on this channel in coming days. Friends, in our today's presentation, we are going to explore 33 MCQs and their answers about Oscar Wilde's The Happy Prince, J.C. Hill's Good Manners and Ruskin Bond's The Eyes Are Not Here. Friends, this is the part first, and in second part we are going to explore some more writers and their popular and renowned prose. So friends, without wasting much time, let's begin with the first question that we have. Name the writer of the story The Happy Prince, and the options are A. Oscar Wilde, B. Robert Land, C. Ruskin Bond and D. J.C. Hills. The correct answer is A. Oscar Wilde. Question number 2. Where was the statue of the prince established? The options are A. In a temple, B. In the garden, C. In the center of the city and D. High above the city on a tall column. The correct answer is D, and that's the high above the city on a tall column. Question number 3 we have, what did the Happy Prince have on his sword hilt? The options are A. 2 big pearls, B. A big ruby, C. 2 big rubies and D. 2 big sapphires. The correct answer of this question is B. A big ruby. Question number 4 we have, where did Swallow decide to spend the night? The options are A. In a tree near the shelter of Happy Prince, B. On the shoulder of the Happy Prince, C. Between the feet of the Happy Prince and D. Under the tall column where the statue stood. The correct answer of this question is C. Between the feet of the Happy Prince. Question number 5 we have, Oscar Wilde was born in dash. So in which year Oscar Wilde was born? Options are A. 1854, B. 1855, C. 1856 and D. 1857. The correct answer of this question is A. 1854. Question number 6. The Happy Prince said that his heart was made of. The options are A. sapphire, B. lead, C. gold and D. rubies. The correct answer of this question is B, and that's lead. Question number 7. The Happy Prince could not move because the reasons are A. He was dead, B. He was on the tall column, C. His feet were tied to the pedestal and D. He was covered with leaves of gold. And the correct answer of this question is C, as his feet were tied to the pedestal. Question number 8 we have, the river Nile is in which country? And the options are A. England, B. Germany, C. France and D. Egypt. And the correct answer of this question is D. Egypt. The next question, question number 9 we have, it was much cold but still Swallow felt warm because the reasons are option number 1, he was in between the feet of Happy Prince, B. The Happy Prince gave him the big ruby, C. He did a great job and D. He had wings and feathers on his body. The correct answer of this question is C, as he did a great job. Question number 10 we have, the Swallow asked the Happy Prince that why, and the options are why he was weeping, B. why he was laughing, C. Why he was smiling, and D. Why he was crying. The correct answer of this question is A, and that is why he was weeping. Question number 11. Oscar Wilde was born in dash. The options are A. London, B. California, C. Dublin, and D. Paris. The correct answer of this question is C, and that is Dublin. Question number 12. Who said, "Bring me the two most precious things in the city"? The options are A. God, B. Happy Prince, C. Swallow, and D. None of the above. The correct answer of this question is A, and that is the God. Question number 13. Who is the author of Good Manners? The options are J.C. Hill, B. Oscar Wilde, C. Stephen Leacock, and D. None of the above, or none of these. The correct answer of this question is A, and that is J.C. Hill. Question number 14. Good Manners has been adapted from. Options are An Introduction to Citizenship, B. My Experiment with Truth, C. Behind the Beyond, and D. Prose with a Purpose. And the correct answer of this question is A. An Introduction to Citizenship. Question number 15 we have, at the beginning of the prose, the young man got an attack of. The options are A. Cold, B. Fever, C. Malaria, and D. Influenza. The correct answer of this question is D, and that is an influenza. Question number 16. When you speak to anyone, speak clearly and sufficiently dash. And the options are A. Swiftly, B. Loudly, C. Patiently, and D. Freely. The correct answer of this question is B, and that is loudly. Question number 17. It takes two to speak the truth. Who said it? The options are A. J.C. Hill, B. Oscar Wilde, C. Herman Melville, and D. Henry David Thoreau. The correct answer of this question is D, and that is Henry David Thoreau. Question number 18 we have, it is only dash people who take remark too literally. The options are A. Comic, B. Stupid, C. Open-minded, and D. Senseless. The correct answer of this question is B. Stupid. Question number 19. Good manners come from having dash towards others. The options are A. Hatred, B. Confliction, C. Affection, and D. Sympathy. Correct answer of this question is D, and that is sympathy. Question number 20. Dash is too big for anyone of us to understand. And the options are A. Sympathy, B. Compassion, C. Belief, and D. Truth. The correct answer is D, and that is truth. Question number 11. Who does not care for the old and weak according to J.C. Hill? The options are A. Child, B. Young people, C. Old, and D. Weak. And the correct answer of this question is B. Young people. Question number 22. Who is always loved and respected? And the options are A. A good-mannered man, B. A bad-mannered man, C. A bluffing man, and D. None of these. The correct answer of this question is A. A good-mannered man. The next question, question number 23, we have, and that is J.C. Hill wants dash to make life easy for elders. And the options are A. Boys and girls, B. People, C. Adults, and D. None of these. The correct answer of this question is C, and that is adults. Question number 24. Who is the author of The Eyes Are Not Here? And the options are A. Dr. Kalam, B. Ruskin Bond, C. Leo Tolstoy, and D. J.C. Hill. The correct answer of this question is B. Ruskin Bond. Question number 25. The narrator was completely alone in the train compartment up to, and the options are A. Dehra, B. the station next to Rohana, and C. Rohana, and D. none of these. The correct answer of this question is C. Rohana. Question number 26. The narrator first discovered that the girl, the options are A. had a sweet voice, B. could laugh sweetly, C. had worn sleepers, and D. had an awesome face. The correct answer of this question is C. had worn sleepers. Question number 27. The narrator was going to dash by train. The options are Saharanpur, B. Mussoorie, C. Rohana, and D. Dehra. The correct answer of this question is B. Mussoorie. Question number 28. The girl was going to dash. The options are A. Saharanpur, B. Mussoorie, C. Rohana, and D. Dehra. The correct answer of this question is A. Saharanpur. The next question we have, question number 29. The girl likes dash in The Eyes Are Not Here. The options are A. long journey, B. journey by day, C. short journey, and D. journey at night. And the correct answer of this question is C. short journey. 30. Question number 30 we have, you must be disappointed. Who said it in the prose called The Eyes Are Not Here? And the options are A. girl's parents, B. a man, C. a girl, and D. girl's aunt. The correct answer of this question is B, and that's a man. Question number 31 we have, Ruskin Bond was born in which year? And the options are A. 1934, B. 1935, C. 1936, and D. 1937. The correct answer of this question is A, and that is 1934. Question number 32. Ruskin Bond was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in which year? And the options are A. 1990, B. 1991, C. 1992, and D. 1993. The correct answer of this question is C. 1992. The last question we have, The Eyes Are Not Here is also known for its other title as A. The Girl's Journey by the Train, B. The Girl at the Train, C. The Girl in the Train, and D. The Girl on the Train. The correct answer of this question is D. The Girl on the Train. So friends, all these are the MCQs about these three renowned writers and their three prose. I hope friends you have liked this presentation and all these 33 MCQs. If you have really liked it, then I request you to like it and don't forget to share it among your friends, near and dear ones as well. Friends, if you are a new viewer on this channel, then I request you to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of such videos uploaded on this channel in coming days. So friends, this is what I wanted to share with you all. Very soon we'll meet again. Till then, just take care of yourself and be happy. Thank you very much.